Yo guys, how are you doing? Well, in the previous exercise, we did something. Well, what did we do? I hope you remember the previous exercise. In the previous exercise, we asked the user who is running your program in terminal, we prompted something that asks the user for input inside the running program, inside the program which is compiled. It is interesting, right? But you did do a lot of work. Like, there were so many steps which you could avoid, and as a programmer, I believe that we try to find the easiest and the laziest ways out of this mess. So let us do this exercise, which will combine. Well, I didn't tell you what this exercise will do. Well, in the previous exercise, we used two different lines of code. In the first line, we just had a basic print statement, while in the second line, what did we have? We had a variable which asks the user for input with the help of the function input parenthesis. Well, well. What if I told you that we can combine these two steps, the printing step and the asking for input step, in one? So, copy this program exactly the way I have written it. Exactly the way I have written it. And once you're done copying this program, what I want you to do is open up your terminal and type in Python 3, put up a space, drag this drag and drop this ex12.py and drop it here, and make sure that you have saved this program, and there is no blue dot here. Make sure that there is no blue dot here. It signifies that you have saved this program. And after you're done doing that, drag and drop this program in your terminal and then just hit enter. And you see that your program is now asking for input from you. Yes, from you. Well, it could ask for input from anybody who is running this program, but anyway, let me go and explain this program line by line. If you did the previous program well, you just might understand this program pretty quickly. So the first line, we define a variable, which in this case I called mood. I named it as mood. Since this particular string is going to be asking for my mood today, and we wrote mood is equal to, well, this is not the equal to sign. I guess by now you already know that this doesn't mean equal to, but anyway, is equal to input is equal to sign, I mean input, parenthesis, and inside of this parenthesis, what do we have? A string inside this input statement. It's just the same like typing in a print statement. The only difference is that this thing is going to help the user interact with your program. And I can type in a few things here. Like, say, this is my mood today. Whoa, enough, bro. It's again asking if I'm sure. Of course I'm sure. Of course I am sure. Why are you asking me again? But it's asking me again since the second line says so. So let us go and feed this line. Of course, I mean what I say. And then we finally have this print line. which takes this mode, this variable mode, and sticks right into this. Right into this. So, yes, that's about it. That's about it for today. And yeah, I guess that's about it. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Make sure that you comment about each and every line. Make sure that you're commenting. It makes things so much clearer. And if you still don't understand it, read the code backward. Like, read the third line first, then the second, then the first, and I guess you'd understand things. If you still don't understand a few things, you can always consult me down in the comments, and I'd be more than happy to answer your questions. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next exercise. Hope this exercise wasn't boring. Well, it definitely wasn't as boring as the previous exercise, was it? I guess not. I guess not. Well, anyway, bye.